Hi, this is four of us creating uh, an automated hiring tool using Radisys CPAAS APIs, specifically using the VDT call flow. As part of this, I'm performing some operations on my laptop and I'm expecting to receive a call from Radisys engine. I'll attend to that call.
Hello, welcome to the Radisys hiring platform. Is it good time to talk with you?
Yes,
Are you looking for job change?
yes,
We currently have openings in Java, C++, Python, and Ansible. Please mention your favorite out of these.
Java.
Great, we have similar opening in CPAAS department. Can we have some follow-up question?
Yes,
How many year of experience you have in relevant technologies?
3 years.
What's your current compensation?
5 LPA.
What is your expected compensation?
10 LPA.
What is the notice period in your current company?
2 months.
Will you able to join the recruitment drive on coming Saturday?
Yes.
Great, we will send the requirement details on your email ID. Could you please provide your email ID?
Candidate.ramu@gmail.com.
Your email ID is candidate.ramu@gmail.com. Is it correct?
Yes.
Thanks, we have sent the details on your email ID. Please upload your latest resume on given link. You can click on meeting invite to attend the drive. Thanks for your valuable time.
So,
Good luck.
so here I received
Bye.
the email where I have the link to see the job description in detail, and on the same link I am supposed to be uploading my profile. And this is the link where I need to log in to on the scheduled day to log in and dial a number to get connected to the interview panel by filling in my number and mobile. Yeah. So I'm logging in and I'm supposed to be dialing 901351. Let me just confirm. Yeah.
Hello, welcome to the Radisys Talent Drive. Are you ready to attend the interview session?
Yes.
We are going to connect your call to the interviewer. We request you to share your screen once call is connected.
Hi, sir. So here is the interview panel from the other side. Who can see my screen? I'll be sharing my screen, and I'm being let's assume I'm being asked to write a program here. Um, I'm writing a program here as requested by the other end. And once there's a conversation that ensues at this point in time, and after that, I will me just share my screen once again. So once this conversation is over and the interview has gone on, this will be recorded and I'll stop sharing.
Thanks for attending the drive. Please provide your valuable feedback.
Yeah, so at this point, the interview is concluded and the recordings will be evaluated for further disposition.